noticed, you guys. My front, driver's side is missing a freaking tire stem cap. I just happen to have one left over from my 50. I don't even know why. I just happened to see it in my house. I was like, snap, let me grab that. All right, let's get this cold start and then we're gonna get to this drive. See, I got my driving shoes on. I had to run back to my old room, find these shoes, dig them out. I ain't wore these, I don't know, 5 years at least. Because driving a manual, man, Nikes with the air bubble, that does not work. That is not the move. And I feel like I'm relearning to drive a freaking manual. So that's what today's video is gonna be about. I've gotta have it down by the end of the video. I'm tired of this. I'm gonna switch over to my GoPro here. We'll do like a little point of view. I gotta run by the store real quick, and then after that, we'll start the video. Let's get it. All right, you guys, I should have you on the GoPro out here looking crazy, getting this POV. I mean, these POV shots are cool, but I don't know if y'all can see me in the mirror. You just look crazy riding around with a camera on your head. But anyways, it's the pulling away in first gear that I gotta get down. I mean, like, I don't know, it's weird. When I first hop in the car, like, I got it, no problem. And then once I drive around for a little bit, I don't know if I get nervous or if I get, I don't know what it is. But yeah, something cool though is these things have the electronic e-brake. When you pull away in first gear, you don't even got to let off of the e-brake. It just does it automatically for you. Then that little park sign disappears. If people gonna let me out, man. Okay, truck. Oh, I got it right now though. Seeing, like, taking it slow, it's no problem. It's like when you got to do something quickly, that's when, like, I don't know, I just be tripping, you guys. Like I said, I drove a manual for like 7-8 years, and now after I'm back in one after like 4 years, I don't know, I psyched myself out or something. As you can see here, what I had to do was run over to Walmart, get some water. I'll tell you something nice though, is the heads up display, because it allows me to just like check on the RPMs without actually having to look down at the dash, you know what I mean? Sorry, this Lincoln behind me tripping. I've had the car now, like, I've been back in town for 2 days. I basically spent almost both of those days editing, so you guys should be seeing the 2 videos that are up already. And I haven't been driving the car a whole bunch. I haven't even had a chance to like sit down and just like completely look everything over. I mean, I think I arrived in town with like 4,700 miles and we're at 4,807. We went like 1,700 miles, 1,750 I think it actually was. Uh-oh. Here we go. See, I got it that time, but it's like I had to keep the RPM sitting at like 2K the whole time, and I don't like that. I want to be able to pull away and not have to rev it even above 1,500 RPM. Just, you know, have the feel for it. That's what I'm used to. I guess maybe I'm expecting too much out of myself like right away. I just want to immediately have this down. I want it to feel just like it did when I was driving my stick before. Man, you guys, it's so tough not to put a tune back on here. Like, the thing I've wanted to tune the most, and is maybe like the simplest thing, but is the exhaust valves. Like, I hate the way that Chevy has them from factory. They are not open enough at all. And I got mine set to track settings on here. I really need to just go ahead and pull the fuse and drive around with valves totally open all the time. I'm used to that Corsa loud, and yeah. So speaking of my Corsa exhaust, it's coming very soon. Might be the first mod that I do on the car. I don't even know yet. But really what I'm waiting on is I just reached out to Corsa yesterday. When I got into that car accident on my X-Pipe, one of the pipes actually crushed. I need to get that pipe replaced. I need to see if Corsa lets me order just that section or what the deal is. So that's what we're waiting on that. So definitely stay tuned for that, because this just, it ain't loud enough, y'all. It's fun though. The power down low. Oh, that rev match never gets old. Let's see how we do. Let's see how we do. Still too much gas. Still too much gas. Uh-oh, police blurping somebody. Hey, there's another Camaro. Oh, this motherfucker rips, y'all. I love this thing. Woo! It's crazy too to pull in first gear like that. Like, it trips you out. It just feels like first gear shouldn't do it. This first gear should not be that long. Oh man. Alright, what is good, YouTube? It is a whole new day now. As you can see, we are leaving a different store. I have a different pair of shoes on, so I'm in Nikes today. I said, F it. It's been a couple of days. I gotta get it down in Nikes, because that's all I wear nowadays. I don't even be wearing Chucks like that no more. But as you saw right there, like, I was really, I don't know. I'm good when I first start, y'all. I'm telling you, every single time, I'm cool when I first start. There's another Marrow. What's good with you, dog? Whew, the nose on the ZL1. Man, it sticks out hella further, and you got that lip. The other thing I've been trying to do is not drive with rev match on, because I just want to get it down where in between shifting gears, I got it smooth. So it's another thing I'm working on. All the basic stuff, y'all. All the basic stuff. Like I said, I just want to take pride in how I can drive stick again. So that's all I'm trying to do. So I really haven't had a chance to get on it too crazy yet. Like, I got on it, you know, a couple times when like we stopped to get gas. I'm pulling back onto the freeway, but other than that, like, I haven't really went crazy. So we're gonna see what we get into today. A big reason I kind of been hesitating is I just want to feel all the way comfortable in a manual again. I want it to be second nature. I feel like right now when I'm still driving, constantly I'm thinking about, okay, I need to be working the clutch pedal like this, giving it gas, trying to look at the RPMs, until the driving aspect becomes just second nature, and it's almost like muscle memory in my body, my arms, everything, my legs, they're just doing it automatically for me, where I'm not even thinking about it like that. So until I'm at that level, I'll probably chill a little bit, but we'll see what we get into. I need my Corsa exhaust on though, ASAP. The thing I'm waiting on is just one pipe that got smashed when I got in that accident. I reached out to Corsa, but they haven't said anything. I'm probably gonna have to call them up, get somebody on the phone. Like a champ. Let's go. Like a motherfucking champ. Oh, she pulls. Oh, she pulling. Woo! That supercharger screaming too. Oh, she pulling. Woo! Damn, it felt so good just to roll all the way through the gears like that. I even hesitated a little bit going into third. I said, fuck it, y'all, we going. Let's go. Woo! She feel good. Damn, man, that's the first time like getting on it all the way through the gears since all that bullshit happened, y'all. Damn, that felt good. Whew, shake the dust off at one time. Let's go. Man, something else I love too, when that first and you go to grab second and you get that little wheel spin. Oh man, I miss that. I was just telling somebody when I was talking about going back to manual that I just miss chirping the gears when you shift, because in an automatic, damn torque converter. Let's not even get into torque converters, y'all. Missed gear. Damn. That ain't making it to the video. Oh shit, y'all, that's too funny. Damn, when you go though, you hear that supercharger. Sound like a cat or something. Let's get it. Cool. Oh, she pulls. Oh, she pulling, boys. Oh, she pulling. Woo! Oh, she pulling. She pulling. Jesus. That torque down low is something else. Let's see if I can launch this thing. Nope. Ain't even gonna try. Fucking traction control. Fucking traction control, man. I gotta do a pull without traction control. Killing me. Or maybe I could put it in that competitive mode. I turned it off. I want it off. How you do competitive mode? Hold it. Competitive mode. There we go. Put traction control back on. We're gonna chill. Nice to know that you definitely can grab. That time it grabbed, and as you saw, peeled out a little bit a second, but hey, I'll take it, man. I don't mind peeling out when it's dry outside. That's all good with me. But if it's wet, nah, bruh. I'm taking this baby through town. We're gonna show her off. I do not feel like going back on the freeway with them semis. Damn, I need some type of driving gloves. I know about that Sonax or Sonics, whatever, to keep the Alcantara clean, but nah, this ain't it. I ain't trying to clean it all the time like that. Alright, y'all, that's probably gonna do it for this video. I'm feeling way more confident than I was driving stick. This your boy ZT, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.